Hello, today we're going to talk about types of chemical reaction. Alright, the first two we're going to talk about is synthesis reaction and decomposition reaction. So in a synthesis reaction, two separate substances become one substance. So we have one product or one reactant, two reactants. Let me use a different color. So I have one and two reactants, but then I only have one product. All right? One reactant, two reactant, one product. All right? So that's synthesis, is taking two different substances and combining them together, two or more. So it's two or more. It doesn't have to be just two. You can have three or four, but you have to have separate ones to become one. Decomposition is the other way around. So you have one substance that breaks down into multiple ones. This is usually like the process of digestion in your stomach. When you eat, your stomach breaks it down into different stuff. All right, the next two we're going to talk about. The first is single replacement reactions. So this one element replaces another element in a compound. So metal will replace a metal, non-metal will replace non-metal, and transition metals can't push active metals. All right, so you have A plus BX goes over to B plus AX. Then you have your aluminum and your nickel, which comes over here, and the aluminum replaces the nickel. The nickel is pushed out. All right, that's a single replacement. All you're replacing is one element with another element. So a double replacement reaction has to happen between two ionic compounds. They dissolve in water or some solution, and when they dissolve, they break apart and then they rejoin with something else. So here, and there's your example. So basically AX plus BY goes to AY plus BX. That's all you really need to know there. So they just replace each other. So all that switched was the X and the Y here. There you go. A little more on that. So here they break apart in a water or a solvent. Positive ions of two dissolved compounds switch places, create new compound. One of the products must be a precipitate. A precipitate is made, and a gas usually. There you go. All right, this last one I'm just going to read. It's called neutralization reaction. So one reactant must be a base and one must be an acid. When acid and base combine at equal strength, the products will be water and a salt. So a salt is any chemical compound that forms when the negative ions from an acid combine with the positives of a base. All right. So if I have, I'm not going to go more into that. When approximately equal volumes of an acid and base of equal strength are combined, the resulting solution should have a pH of around 7. I'll say that again. When approximately equal volumes of an acid and base of equal strength, so in a neutralization reaction, are combined, the resulting solution should have a pH of around 7. All right, this was very basic in types of chemical reactions. Hope it helped.